I'm at Mar Del Cabo, and this is the Penthouse Suite. You can see this is almost a full kitchen there. Great living area. So there are two of these on property. This is the Penthouse Suite. If you are booking a wedding here and you are the bride and groom, you're going to book an oceanfront category, and you are going to automatically be upgraded to one of the two penthouse suites here on property, so that you have plenty of space for people coming to see you throughout your stay, for getting ready. This will be where you can get ready for your wedding, hair and makeup, all of that. There's a second bedroom here, so your bridesmaids, plenty of space. Another full bathroom over here, and we'll go out to the balcony so you can see the view. So again, this is Mar Del Cabo, part of the Velas Resorts brand of hotels. This is not all-inclusive. This is adult only, unless you are doing a buyout, meaning you are buying out the whole hotel, which there's 46 suites here. 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. So if you do a buyout, then you can have it as family friendly. Over there is Grand Velas. So that is another one of their properties. This is the Penthouse Suite, one of two at Mar Del Cabo.